Alright, we got to select a knife. Use this one. Got a new camera today. The Kodak Zi8 has arrived. We're going to cut this open with this ridiculous knife that is dull as crap. It's like the most ridiculous of them are always the dullest. So in here we have, I guess, warranty for the refurbished item. Global Phoenix computer. This is the people on eBay, I guess, that I bought it from. Ithaca, New York. That's up where my dad is. Where my dad is at. Anyways, here we have the camera. The Kodak Zi8. Got it in black, of course. Who wants a friggin' raspberry or aqua colored camera? Alright, well, finally we got the box open. Here's the actual camera, I'm guessing. Chargers and cables and shit. And then, HDMI cable. It's got HDMI output and different things. This is the owner's manual and no software. Not that I was going to use the software anyways, because I already have amazing software, but you'd think that at least they would ship it with software. Anyways, there it is. Pretty decent size. That's about the size I was expecting. Let me pull out my phone here. This is a Samsung Solstice phone. This looks exactly the same size as a Blackberry or a Blackjack. Looks exactly like a Blackjack. Anyways, it's nice and small. So here's what came out of the bag. We have component cables for a very old crappy TV. That's how you view your videos and pictures. I'm guessing just pictures. And here's the charger. It's a USB charger. So you just plug this into the wall, and then you take this USB cable, plug it into there, and then the other end is the power adapter that goes into here. You can also use the USB that pops out of the side. I still haven't figured out how to get that out, but anyways, it came with the HDMI cable. Didn't even bother on twisting it because it's just going to go to the pile, and so is this to the pile of other HDMI and component cables that I have. And here's the battery, very small. Oh, crap. We've got food. Good kitty, not on the couch. Not on the couch. It's a good kitty. Now she's going over to the couch to destroy that. Well, I just turned it on, put the battery in, turn it on. Everything seems to work, so what I'm going to do is I only have one SD card, so I'm going to take the SD card out of this camera and record some footage, the rest of this video, with the Kodak. Alright, so we are filming with the Zi8 now. Here's the camera that I shot most of the video with now. The Canon FS300. I am shooting in 720 LMNOP at 60 frames per second. Looks pretty good. Image stabilization isn't too bad either. I thought it was going to be way worse. But let's go outside. See how it does outside. I guess you guys are gonna get a sneak peek. But yeah, I've been working out here. Yeah, how does that look? Use the macro focus. That's what the fender on this side looks like. And if we go over here, that's what this side looks like. So I've been hard at work sanding down my fenders and refinishing them. So I don't even do it. I'm curious to hear what the audio is like on this, because my FS300 has some pretty amazing audio. Sugarcane. That's right. Try the zoom. I can figure it out. Dang, that's pretty good. Pretty good zoom. Yeah, it's gonna take some getting used to holding this as opposed to the other camera, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. Kind of shake when I walk. The image stabilization isn't all that hot, but anyways. Back into the low light. Ooh. It's pitch black in here in the shitter. I don't know, it does pretty good. Whoa. That was weird. Oh, what the hell does that for? There's me. Yeah, it doesn't do too well in low light, but you know, I don't think any camera that's not commercial grade can do well in low light. So that's my review of the Kodak Zi8. I wouldn't call it much of a review, but I'll be shooting most of my next videos with it, so yeah, let me know what y'all think. I mean, I'm on the 720 Elemento P at 60 frames per second, which I don't think YouTube can handle 60 frames per second yet. I'm not sure, but anyways, let me know if you want me to continue using the 1080p or this 720. I'll switch this to 1080p now I guess. Yeah, that's yesterday's destruction. Trying to find something to shoot in slow motion. Dragonfly. Don't hold still enough though. Getting that AC unit replaced tomorrow, the condenser and the coils inside, because that compressor in there keeps overheating and kicking off. So maybe they'll let me record them install the new condenser and coils. That'd be cool. Here's the 1080 Elemental P at 30 frames per second. You can already see that there's a lot more lag with the image on the screen. So that's 60 frames per second. It really makes a difference. I think I'm going to use that. But even if I still use the 720 Elemental P, I'm still going to render in full 1080 like I do with all my other videos. Anyways, quick motions. Alright, thanks for watching, y'all. Appreciate it. Even though this wasn't much of a review, more of a video of, hey, look what I got. But y'all take care.